I'm going to be reviewing the Ocean Park Gaming Desktop featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 5700X CPU and an RTX 4060 graphics card. If any moment during this video you're interested in exploring this gaming PC and want to snag it at an excellent price, be sure to check out the links below the video. Imagine a world where your gaming experience is seamless, powerful, and visually stunning. Today we're diving into a device that promises exactly that. The Ocean Park Gaming Desktop by HELLOLAND. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone looking to level up your setup, this desktop could be the game changer you've been searching for. First, let's talk about power. At its core, the Ocean Park Gaming Desktop is driven by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor, boasting a base speed of 3.8 GHz, with a max boost up to 4.6 GHz. This means smooth, lag-free gaming and multitasking. Paired with the GeForce RTX 4060 8GB GDDR6 graphics card, you're looking at stunning visuals and high frame rates, even in the most demanding games like Call of Duty Warzone, Grand Theft Auto 5, and Elden Ring. And what's a gaming rig without enough RAM? This desktop doesn't skimp. 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory clocked at 3200 MHz ensures your games load quickly and run smoothly, even when you have multiple applications open. Plus, with a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, you get faster boot times and rapid data access, leaving traditional hard drives in the dust. But what really sets the Ocean Park Gaming Desktop apart is its design. This isn't just about performance. It's about style and cooling efficiency. Equipped with a 360 AIO liquid cooler, your PC stays cool under pressure, allowing for longer gaming sessions without the risk of overheating. And let's not forget the 8 RGB fans. Not only do they provide maximum airflow, but they also add a dazzling light show that will make your setup the envy of your friends. For connectivity, this desktop covers all bases. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 are built in, and there are multiple USB ports for all your peripherals. Whether you're into streaming, recording, or just want to connect multiple devices, this desktop has you covered. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. While the Ocean Park Gaming Desktop is packed with high-end components, its sleek, compact design means there isn't a lot of room for additional upgrades in the future. If you're someone who likes to continually tweak and modify your PC, this could be a limitation to consider. All in all, the Ocean Park Gaming Desktop is a fantastic choice for gamers looking to elevate their experience with a powerful, stylish, and reliable machine. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, check out the links in the description below to grab this powerhouse at a great price. Don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.